How's it going, everybody? This is Chase at Next Level. As you can see, we got this beautiful Bentley behind me. We installed Escort Max CI 360, covering your ass from speeding tickets. Come check out the front bumper. We got the two laser diffuser modules. We got radar detection in the front. Come check out the back. We got the two laser diffuser modules in the back bumper as well, protecting from cops in the front and the rear. Come check out the coolest part of the car. We did a custom install of the OLED display inside the rear view mirror. Come check this out. The OLED display. Wait till it pops on. There it is. You got your controls and the display inside the rearview mirror. Super, super cool. Customer's gonna love it. Can't wait. Come check us out at Next Level. Come get your free quote. 407-704-5676.